It's easy to get overwhelmed by the number of medical conditions that can be treated with natural remedies like garlic. But don't let that scare you. If you eat it regularly, it can actually help you feel better and live longer. Like many other plants, garlic contains phytochemicals called allicin and organosulfur compounds that are responsible for its ability to fight off infections and fight off disease. When consumed regularly, these compounds can help reduce your risk of heart disease, high cholesterol, blood sugar levels, and blood pressure. In this video we'll show you how easy it is to incorporate garlic into your daily routine so you can start feeling better today. While it might seem like a good idea to wait until you're sick to start incorporating garlic into your diet, it's never too late to start taking better care of yourself. Garlic has been shown in multiple studies to help boost your immune system and increase your resistance to viruses and bacteria. By adding garlic to your meals every day, you can prevent colds and flu, as well as many other common illnesses that can make you feel run down and uncomfortable. Plus, there's no need for any special diets or supplements. All you have to do is add garlic to your meals. It's so easy that anyone can do it. Are you concerned about chronic inflammation, which can contribute to a range of serious diseases such as diabetes, cancer, and arthritis? Then you'll be pleased to learn that incorporating garlic into your daily diet can help reduce inflammation in the body. Garlic contains compounds that can help regulate certain inflammatory proteins and reduce their activity. In a randomized study involving 70 women, those who took 1,000 milligrams of garlic supplements every day for 8 weeks experienced lower levels of inflammatory markers, as well as less fatigue, pain, and tender joints compared to the placebo group. By adding garlic to your meals, you could potentially reduce your risk of chronic inflammation and the health problems associated with it. So why not give it a try and see the positive effects for yourself? Looking for a natural way to keep your heart healthy and reduce your risk of cardiovascular disease? Consider adding garlic to your daily routine. High blood pressure is a leading cause of heart attacks and strokes, but studies have shown that garlic can have a remarkable impact on reducing blood pressure in people with hypertension. In fact, one study found that consuming 600 to 1,500 milligrams of aged garlic extract per day was just as effective as taking the blood pressure medication Tenolol over a 24-week period. Garlic works by stimulating the synthesis of nitric oxide, which dilates blood vessels and inhibits the activity of angiotensin-converting enzyme, ACE. By inhibiting ACE activity, garlic can help relax blood vessels, potentially supporting healthy blood flow and pressure. In addition to its blood pressure lowering effects, daily garlic intake can also minimize other risk factors for heart disease, such as high cholesterol. So why not make garlic a regular part of your diet and give your heart the care it deserves? Did you know that garlic can also play a role in keeping your cholesterol levels in check? High levels of total and LDL or bad cholesterol are known risk factors for heart disease, but incorporating garlic into your diet may help lower them by 10 to 15%. While more research is needed to fully understand the relationship between garlic and cholesterol, some studies have shown that garlic supplementation can effectively lower total cholesterol and LDL levels. This is great news for anyone looking to support their heart health. However, it's worth noting that garlic has no reliable effect on HDL or good cholesterol, and it doesn't seem to significantly impact high triglyceride levels, which are also a risk factor for heart disease. Still, if you want to reduce your risk of heart disease and keep your cholesterol levels in a healthy range, and who doesn't, then incorporating garlic into your diet is an easy and tasty way to do just that. Did you know that garlic may help you manage your blood sugar levels? Garlic has been used by people around the world for centuries, and it's still a favorite in many cultures. It's thought to be an effective way to reduce premeal blood sugar levels, which is particularly important for those with diabetes. And if you're looking for a way to reduce your risk of atherosclerosis, which is a common complication of diabetes, then raw garlic may be worth trying. Garlic also contains important vitamins B6 and C, with B6 supporting carbohydrate metabolism and C helping to maintain healthy blood sugar levels. However, while garlic may be effective in reducing premeal blood sugar, there is currently no clear evidence that it has an impact on postmeal blood sugar levels. By incorporating garlic into your diet, you can help support healthy blood sugar levels and reduce your risk of certain complications associated with diabetes. Number 6. Natural Performance Enhancer. Did you know that garlic was one of the earliest known natural performance enhancers? Natural performances were just as important to the ancient Greeks as they are to us today. Before supplements existed, athletes were given garlic to help them perform at their peak during competitions. In fact, it was even given to Olympic athletes in ancient times so they could boost their physical capacity and reduce fatigue. While only a few human studies have been conducted, rodent studies have indicated that garlic does improve exercise performance. For instance, a study conducted on people with heart disease showed that those who had garlic oil for 6 weeks experienced a 12% reduction in heart rate and improved exercise capacity. So if you're looking for a natural way to enhance your physical performance, garlic might just be the answer. So, here we are at number 7. And we're going to talk about detoxifying agents like garlic. Garlic is a powerful antioxidant that can protect your organs from heavy metal toxicity, especially when consumed in high doses. A study conducted on car battery plant employees showed a 19% reduction in lead levels in their body after consuming garlic. Furthermore, the study also found that garlic helped alleviate clinical signs of toxicity, including headaches and high blood pressure. Interestingly, garlic was even found to be more effective than D-penicillamine, a commonly prescribed drug for treating heavy metal poisoning. Though not commonly known, garlic's detoxifying properties are worth mentioning. Next, we'll discuss how garlic can help prevent bone loss. Here's number 8, strengthened bone health. While there may be no human studies on the effects of garlic on bone loss, rodent studies have shown that garlic can reduce bone loss by boosting estrogen levels in females. In a study on menopausal women, daily consumption of dry garlic, which is equivalent to 2 grams of raw garlic, significantly decreased the marker of estrogen deficiency. This suggests that garlic supplements may have a positive impact on women's bone health. Maintaining strong bones is essential, especially as we age, to prevent the risk of fractures and osteoporosis. Therefore, incorporating garlic into your daily diet could be a beneficial step towards promoting optimal bone health. Number 9, enhanced immune system and reduced risk of infections. Garlic is a well-known natural defense against a range of harmful microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites. Studies have shown that allicin, the active compound in freshly crushed garlic, has potent antiviral and antibacterial properties. Garlic's antifungal properties also make it useful in fighting yeast infections like Candida albicans. Its antiparasitic action can help to combat intestinal parasites such as Giardia. In addition to its direct effects on harmful microorganisms, garlic can also boost the immune system. These effects include increased production of white blood cells that play a key role in fighting infections. Garlic's antioxidant properties can help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, which weaken the immune system. By incorporating garlic into your diet, you can help reduce your risk of infections and improve your overall health. Number 10, improved skin health. Garlic can benefit your skin by helping to eliminate acne-causing bacteria, thanks to its antibacterial properties and antioxidants. In fact, regular consumption of garlic for a month may lead to clearer skin. If you want faster results, you can even try rubbing raw garlic over pimples, although be aware that it may cause a burning sensation on the skin. Overall, garlic is a natural and effective way to promote healthier skin. If you're interested in using garlic for your health, we recommend starting with a small dose. Around 1/8 of an inch, 0.5 centimeters, of fresh garlic should do the trick. That's less than 1 clove. You can buy raw garlic at most grocery stores or markets. Just make sure it's not old or spoiled before trying this trick out. You can also get your hands on some delicious recipes that use garlic as their main ingredient: mashed potatoes with garlic butter sauce, roasted cauliflower with roasted garlic, and pesto sauce with pine nuts, basil leaves, and extra virgin olive oil are just some examples of mouth-watering dishes that could change your life forever. You might be wondering how much garlic is enough to reap these benefits. Let's dive into this topic and answer the question of how much garlic is enough. The recommended daily intake of garlic is approximately half to 1 clove per day, which provides your body with 300 to 600 milligrams of allicin. However, it's important to exercise caution and avoid taking excessive amounts of garlic, as this may result in indigestion, intestinal gas, or diarrhea. Remember, moderation is key when it comes to reaping the health benefits of this powerful plant. Are you aware that the way garlic is consumed, whether raw or cooked, can affect the magnitude of its benefits? Let's delve into this further. Raw versus cooked garlic, which is more beneficial? Maximizing the advantages of garlic can be a bit complicated. For example, a study on garlic's immune-boosting effects found that both raw and cooked garlic were effective, but not supplements. Additionally, cooking garlic can alter its pH balance, which can affect its efficacy. For optimal results, allow minced, crushed, or chopped garlic to sit for a few minutes before cooking or consuming it. This is because the enzymes from allicin, garlic's most active compound, need some time to take effect. Consuming raw garlic provides the most significant benefit, however, if you prefer cooked garlic, that's perfectly fine too. In conclusion, so long as you are eating enough of the right kind of food, garlic, in your diet, whether it's in whole form or through supplements, you should experience health benefits. Looking for a new way to incorporate garlic into your daily routine? The benefits are endless and far-reaching, but it's important to be mindful of how you cook it. Heat can destroy the active compounds that make garlic so beneficial, so it's recommended to add it near the end of cooking, and avoid high temperatures. With all these advantages and more, are you ready to take on the challenge of incorporating garlic into your daily routine? Let us know in the comments how it works out for you. We're always open to feedback and suggestions for future topics, so feel free to share your thoughts with us. Thank you for watching and learning about the incredible benefits of garlic. If you found the video informative and engaging, don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up to let us know you enjoyed it. By subscribing to our channel, you'll get notified of our future videos on fascinating topics related to human health. We also have 2 more videos we recommend checking out to assist you in achieving your objectives. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.